In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a section to another Squarespace page, a task that can be efficiently completed in just 5 minutes. Now let's dive into it. The first thing you need to do is click on the login button. This initiates the process of accessing your Squarespace account. Once you've clicked that, you'll see an option to continue with your Google account. Simply click on continue with Google. This process not only streamlines your login experience but also enhances security by using Google's sign-in features. Once you're logged in, you'll be presented with a list of your websites. From here, you need to click on the specific website that you'd like to modify. Selecting the right site is crucial because this is where you'll be doing all the editing and copying of sections. After choosing your website, navigate to the Edit section. You can do this by heading to the configuration area of your site. This is where the magic truly begins, as it opens up the editing capabilities that Squarespace offers. Next, we'll save the section you wish to duplicate. Look for the heart icon. This is typically the option to save your edits. By clicking this heart icon, you're essentially bookmarking this section for easy retrieval later. This step is important because it ensures that your selected section is preserved exactly as it is, making it readily available for duplication. Following that, to start adding the saved section to a new page, click on Add Section. This will usually be located in the area where you have editing capabilities. Doing this tells Squarespace that you want to insert a new content block or section into your page layout. After that, you want to direct yourself to saved sections. This ensures you're accessing the exact content you've previously marked using the heart icon. Once there, simply choose the saved section. You can do this by locating it in the menu and selecting it. It will automatically load into your current edit area. By completing these steps, you're able to effortlessly duplicate sections from one page to another on Squarespace. This capability is especially handy for maintaining consistent branding or repeating layout styles across your website. By following this guide, you've learned how to smoothly duplicate a section to a different Squarespace page. This method not only saves time but also ensures consistency in your web page designs. Always remember that practice makes perfect, so feel free to repeat this process whenever you need to duplicate sections. Thank you for following along with us today. We hope you found this tutorial clear and straightforward. Happy editing!